What's up, everybody? We're going to be doing Lord of the Rings, Gollum's Theme. So these arrangements are based on the soundtrack to the film, obviously. And one of the tracks is sung by a female vocalist, right? So there's an orchestral accompaniment and a female voice sings the melody. I'm not sure if that's in the film, because I don't remember a female vocal, but it's been a while since I've seen the film, so I might just not remember it. But just so you know, in case the film is just orchestral, you can find on YouTube, actually, somebody's posted it, the track with the female vocal singing the melody, and that's where I've taken the material to write this arrangement. Now, I'm kind of trying something new here, so this tutorial is going to be about this piece, obviously, but it's going to be an easy version, a simple, straight-ahead adaptation, or arrangement, rather. And in a couple days' time, I'm going to do another version of the same music, but the next arrangement is going to be quite a bit more difficult and intricate. So those of you who are more seasoned players or who want a challenge, you can do the latter. Those of you who just want to play the music, you can do the former, or you can just do both. Yeah, so we'll see how that goes. All right, enough chit chat. Here's what it sounds like. All right, there you have it. So we're going to be looking at the first major phrase here. I think the piece has two major phrases, and we're going to be covering the first in this tutorial. If you'd like to finish off the rest of it, please visit our website. It's always free to try. You'll have access to this piece and everything else we've ever done. Your comments are always appreciated, subscriptions, of course, and I suppose we can go ahead and get started. The piece is written in a very organized manner, so it's structured in very obvious sections, which it'll make it fairly easy to learn. The first section is this. By the way, this is your middle C. So this is where we start. What? Yeah, so cheerful. Yeah, it's better. Okay, so that's the first little section. Left hand we have this, 5, 3, and 1. In the right hand we have 1, 3, 4, 5. Now, in terms of counting, we have 3/8 notes in the left hand for the full 4 beats. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So as soon as you get to the B, you just hold it until the end of the bar. 1 and 2, hold, 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 hold. The right hand doesn't begin on beat 1. It begins halfway through the first beat. So here is where they align. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. You see? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And remember that rhythm because it's everywhere. It's going to show up all over the place. The next bar is. All right, so again, the same rhythm, but different notes. Left hand, we have 5, 2, and 1 on F sharp. Again, 8th notes, the beginning of that bar. In the right hand, we have 1 B, 1 D, and then 2 Bs. You can use whatever finger. I mean, probably 3, 5, 3, 3 is straightforward because your 3 is already on B. Okay, moving on. There you go. So left hand we have 5, 2, and 1. And the right hand we have, again, 1, 3, 4, and 5. Same rhythm. Moving on. So that's 5, 2, and 1. And the right hand is 4, 4, 2, 2. Same rhythm. Offbeat of beat 1. Starts the right hand off here, right? Like that. All right, so from the top with counting, nice and slow. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and moving on, next one. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... All right, so very easily structured, very clearly structured here. Should be pretty straightforward. Moving on, we get this. So the first one is 5, 2, and 1. Over your thumb to 3, 2, and 1. B major. Again, all 8 notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Right? Just notice as well that we don't have a D sharp down here. So B major usually ought to have a B, a D sharp, and an F sharp. Here we don't have it. We have this, 5, 2, 1, and then you have the 3, 2, 1 up top. Like that. And the right hand is just this and this, 3 and 1. And this time, the hands begin together. Like that. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Moving on to the next one. That's same rhythm, but 5, 2, 1. Over your thumb. 4, 2, 1. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And the right hand is same, just quarters. Starts the same time. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Moving on. Okay, so in the left hand we have, we'll just do both of these right away. We have 5, 2, and 1. And then again 5, 2, and 1 in D major. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So the rhythm in the left is the same as it was in the beginning of the piece. The right hand, a 3 on C, and then 3, 4, 3, and then 3, 2. Now the reason I'm dividing it this way is because of the rhythm. We have 1 long C, then a triplet, right? And then quarter, quarter, I think, if I remember correctly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. So that might be a little difficult because the triplet, it's a quarter note triplet, so it's mapped over the course of 2 beats, beats 3 and 4. But you can kind of just do that by ear, you know. You can just do it by the way that it sounds and you'll more or less be right. I don't want to go over how to do quarter note triplets, it's too tedious. So just again, here it is with the sound. Like that. All right, so if you want to finish this off, visit our website and you'll be able to finish off this section. Yeah, and that'll be pretty cool. Now in terms of pedaling, let's see, pedaling. I think the easiest thing to do is to pedal each unit, right? So if this is a unit, that's all one pedal. And then if this is a unit, I shouldn't say if, it is, it's a unit, so pedal that. Pretty much just pedal wherever you have a change in harmony. At the start of each new section, change pedals. You change pedal there, right? Here's the pause, and then change pedal here. Right? At the beginning of every new kind of unit, you can change the pedal, and it'll sound pretty clean, I think. All right, cool. Stick around for the upcoming tutorial of the same music, but difficult mode, and I'll see you in the next one. All right, take care, guys.